Hi everyone, this is Sonia here. So a lot of you have been asking me कि whenever I shoot videos, table पे flowers होते हैं. So from where do I get it? So I'm not very sure if you guys know where I am right now. So I'm in US. I'm at Dallas, and this is the thing which I really wanted to show you guys. So can you see this huge collection? Like it's an amazing place. I can't even tell you guys that how beautiful it looks, right? So it has a lot of stuff. They have amazing stuff, and I love having these for my video recordings, and I love having these on my table whenever I'm shooting a video or I'm doing a live session. Can you guys check the huge range of flowers? It is like endless, राइट. यू गाइज विल नॉट even रियलाइज कि यार यहाँ आने के बाद ना आपको ऐसा लगता है यू जस्ट बाय एवरीथिंग, कुछ मत छोड़ो. ऑल ऑफ दिस व्हाटएवर यू आर सीइंग इज artificial flowers, and they are amazing and beautiful, right? I absolutely love it. So I love having pink, purples, white. So मैंने यहाँ पे ना जितना हो सकता था, I have already picked up few things which I really wanted at my in my craft room. So I have that. Let me just show you few more collections. So there are pretty big hangings also. So of course India में ये नहीं मिलता है, and you do not get such a beautiful collection of flowers. But if you check here, you will see they have huge collection. Like you name the color and they have the collection of it, right? So of course if you want to have some nice photograph tricks of your artwork, so you can handpick any of these kind of flowers. They look absolutely amazing, right? So you can just handpick any of the flowers, and I'll show you. Like मेरे craft table पे आप देखोगे ना, I always keep such sticks, right? I have a bunch of sticks which I keep in my craft room, and I always keep on changing the colors. Of course not very frequently, because इतना quickly change करना possible नहीं है, because then you will have to do a lot of planning. So what I do is मैं एक बार में ना, if I have picked up this blue color, so I pick complete set of that blue color. If I am picking up yellow orange color, I'll pick up the one shade ka, all the whatever the possible options which I can pick up. Then if I'm doing any of such kind of flowers, I'll pick up all those flowers in one bunch. So ऐसे करके ना मैंने 6-7 अलग-अलग bunches लिए हैं, so that it's easier for me, right? So that is really helpful. Then you can also add such kind of rings, the small flowers. I'll show you next live session जब होगा ना, when I'll be doing a tutorial, I'll show you. मैंने कुछ succulents भी लिए हैं. Like ये different है, but मेरे पास जो है that one is completely different, right? So these things really help in adding. आप अपने photographs ले रहे हो अपने product का, so these things really help in like popping out the colors really well. So try this out. And just in case if you guys want me to buy these for you, let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Everyone out there, I will be more than happy. And yeah, I hope you liked it. I am loving it. So जब मैं यहाँ आती हूँ, I just if I'm going to store, that means 1 घंटा 2 घंटा तो पक्का गया. Means you cannot come out of the store 1 घंटे 2 घंटे के पहले, and I absolutely love it. And like I said, live session में बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे पूछा था कि oh, those flowers are beautiful, it's looking beautiful, कहाँ से लिया, क्या था ये था. So this is what it is, and let me know if you guys want it. I'll try to get it as soon as I can, and I'll try to help out everyone, and keep sharing our post. And thank you, and take care, and bye bye.